Ladies and gentlemen, y'all ever been in traffic that was stopping slow or just barely going, and then right when you was about to do something, the traffic opened up? Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in the car video. I've been sitting in traffic for I don't know how long. The traffic barely was moving, y'all. I mean, stop and creeping slow. And then right when I decide, oh, this would be a good time to do a vlog in the car video, guess what? Then the traffic opened up. It's moving pretty quick too, so I don't know what happened. Y'all, I think it's a plot to make people spend more gas or to use more gas in their car. So they got to go back and fill it up more often. I really think it's a plot, y'all. Y'all ever been in traffic? Alright, I guess this finna be a rant. You ever been in traffic and it's stopping slow, stopping, barely creeping, and then you like turn a curb in the traffic, or if you get up to an elevated spot or whatever, and you can see the traffic ahead of you, and you see huge gaps in the traffic. Huge gaps. I'm talking about 2-3 car gaps. And it's like, why is nobody moving to fill in the gaps? Like, we could decrease this traffic if people would just go with the flow of the traffic and move. Why do they have gaps? Or you'll look ahead and you'll see almost like a row of cars, y'all, just going slow. I'm telling y'all, I'm for real. I think it's a plot. That's not even what I want to talk about. I really didn't have nothing to talk about. Like I said, I was just in traffic, and because it was so stop and slow, I figured, hey, this would be a good time to do a vlog in the car video, and then the traffic opened up. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes on the road, y'all. I'm using my peripheral vision. I'm using my side mirrors, y'all, my rearview mirror. I'm looking through the front windshield. I'm paying attention, y'all. Y'all see, well, of course, the sun will be right on it, but I got my Saints shirt on, y'all. Forever Saints. Forever New Orleans Saints. Even though we didn't end the season like I wanted to. At least we was 500, so, you know, for us, y'all, as long as we can finish the season 500 or better, even if we don't go to the playoffs, because with the Saints, it always end up being they got to win, plus this team got to lose or tie, plus this team got to lose, plus this team over here got to win, plus this diagonal tic-tac-toe, pull out your abacus. Y'all, but we did win the Super Bowl, so can't never take that away from us. Even though some people try, you can't do it. I'm just coming from physical therapy. I got some more K-tape, y'all. I really like this K-tape. I had to stop using it for a while though, because after so many weeks of consecutively getting the K-tape and using it, my skin started reacting to the adhesive. So I had to let it go for like a few weeks, but I got it back on there, and the K-tape worked wonders for me for my arm. My arm is probably about 75 to 80%. I almost feel like I hit a plateau on it, y'all, so I'm going to try something different. We're going to try acupuncture, but not the in-ear acupuncture, y'all. I still, you probably can't see it, but I still have like the marks in my ears from that ear acupuncture. So we're going to try like the regular acupuncture, where they actually, you know, put the needles in the area of your body that's, you know, that you having issues with. So I'm waiting for that to get approved, and I'm gonna do that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna continue my physical therapy, and we probably gonna do weekly until I get approved for the acupuncture. So we'll see how that works. The sun is out now, y'all. The weather have been so bad, as in very rainy, windy, overcast. A lot of places in Southern California flooded. Y'all probably seen it. It's been all over the news. I didn't have any issues in my area. I'm kind of in a elevated spot, so any rain water that we get The yard might get a little mushy or whatever, but it pretty much run downhill. Thoughts and prayers to all the people that did have to deal with excessive rainfall, flooding, damage to their property and stuff. I know that there was also loss of life during this time period with the winter storms and stuff. May God be with everybody that have to go through any kind of adverse situations. It's not easy, and the things take time. It takes time for the people to heal. It takes time for you to recover and get everything repaired and stuff. But we know things can be replaced. People cannot. So I just pray that God be with everybody that's going through something right now with these winter storms. The winter months sometimes put people in just a certain state of mind, a certain state of emotion or whatever. So I just pray that God just be with everybody and just help them to get through this time of year, this time of weather, this time of situations occurring in life. Y'all, my hair, these are the same twists that I uploaded. So today is Thursday. I uploaded that video Wednesday, yesterday, and this is that. All I did was take I took the perm rods off the ends. Y'all, I haven't been tying my hair down or nothing like that. I did put it in a ponytail, so you probably can see like the little dent or crease in it. Very soft hold. So I used that Carol's Daughter Percaxi Nectar foam, and underneath that I had the Ion, the strengthening leave-in treatment. It's a creamy leave-in spray. I really like it. But this is a very soft hold, but very bouncy, springy, a lot of body. I could tell if I took these twists out. But no, it's not hard at all. It's a very soft hold. I'm not sure how long it'll last if I took the twist out, but y'all know that's why I ain't gonna take them out. I did upload the video yesterday about these twists and my wash day. Y'all, I'm still using products that's already open. And then today I'm editing my second garden seed haul of 2024. I bought seeds from an online company. You'll see that before you see this one. So that one I'll probably upload tomorrow, Friday. And then this video, hopefully I'll have it edited and I'll upload that one either Saturday or Sunday. My goal is to try to upload something 3 times a week. So something toward the beginning of the week, something kind of like later in the week, and at least one video on either Saturday or Sunday. So I want to do 3 videos a week. Y'all, sometimes it might be 1 video, sometimes it might be 2 videos, but what I am being moderately consistent with, y'all, is my YouTube shorts and my community posts. Sometimes it's more YouTube shorts than community posts. Sometimes it's more community posts than YouTube shorts, but it's something. I'm trying to, put something on the page, y'all, to know, let y'all know I'm still here, I'm still alive and kicking. But it take a lot of time and effort and energy and resources and stuff to do these videos. There's another YouTube channel. Now, they have like a bazillion subscribers or whatever, but the guy was saying they did kind of like a behind the scenes video on what it take to do their videos. And it's a lot of work. It's a lot of time. And this is just gathering the resources, the subject matter of whatever the video is about, getting everything together, getting your equipment, recording the video in the first place. After you do all of that, then you got to edit it, and that could be something. That could be something right there. Sometimes it take me hours. Sometimes it take me a few days to edit a video. But anyway, all of that to say, it's a lot of time, effort, and energy and resources to upload these videos for your enjoyment. With that being said, please take a minute to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell so you don't miss any future posts or uploads. Support me if you can with my few little links I have, and it's only It's just a request, y'all. It's just an ask. It's not a mandate. I'm not gonna feel no kind of way if you don't. But I do appreciate the support. Just you watching the videos, watching the full length of the videos, clicking like, a comment or two, you know, sharing, subscribing to the channel, all of that counts. The last time I checked, I was at 1,050 subscribers. I know the numbers fluctuate up and down a little bit, but I think I'm about 1,050 subscribers. This is well on the way, I think, starting this year to maybe get another 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Y'all know it took me 5 years to get 1,000 subscribers. And I'm hoping that by the end of this 1 year, I can have another 1,000 subscribers. I am trying to get my channel monetized. That's something I'm not making a secret about or anything. To me, that's not a bad thing for somebody to say that they want to get their channel monetized. A lot of people want to get their channel monetized. They just don't say it. Well, I'm saying it. So you can help me to do that by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, clicking the notification bell, sharing, commenting, all of that kind of stuff. And I do appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, y'all. The sun is just exactly in my eye. Hold on, let me see. Does that help at all? It helped me a little bit, y'all. I hope you can still see my face. Like you can see the bottom half but not the top half. Y'all look, hold on, let's see. Okay, y'all, help a girl out, support your girl. I do natural hair videos. I do a lot of garden videos. I do unboxing and haul videos. I do electric vehicle videos sometimes, not as often as the other type of videos because I get more feedback with the natural hair and the garden videos. I get moderate feedback with the unboxing and the hauls, and then a little less feedback with the electric vehicle. But if you want to know more about my car, if you want to see more of the car, it's a 2019 Tesla Model S, long range. Because I do like driving. I do cross-country road trips. If you have watched any of my road trip videos, you've seen that. So check those out if you're interested. But yeah, I like the car. The little problems that I have had were all covered under warranty. Like I said, I bought this car in 2019. It's the beginning of 2024. I have over 80,000 miles on this car. Like I said, I do cross-country road trips, so we ride, and I haven't had any issues. There's nothing that has happened that will make me change my mind about buying a car, about having bought the car. Granted, I do live in Southern California, so I don't live in the area where it gets excessively cold or freezes or snow. I know a lot of people have issues with that. You see it every winter. You see it every winter, the issues that people have with their electric vehicles. But somehow it seemed to only be Tesla though. I might be a little biased, y'all, because I do own a Tesla. I do drive a Tesla, but the issue occurs in almost all brands, makes, and models of electric vehicles. Maybe to not the same extent or whatever, but Tesla seemed to be the only electric vehicle company, you know, that get the drama for it. But anyway, y'all, hey, like I said, I might be a little biased because I have a Tesla, but I feel like anybody who has purchased a Tesla in even the past 5 years, this has been a situation or occurrence or a known for longer than 5 years. So if you live in a cold place and you still bought a Tesla, and then, you know, for whatever reason your car doesn't operate like you wanted to in the freezing cold weather, I mean, I get it, because these cars are an investment. They are not cheap at all. And of course, if you buy a vehicle, you want it to work 365 days a year. And I get it, I understand that. But if you know that a vehicle has like a certain issue or whatever, and then you still buy it anyway, can you still be mad if you run into that issue? If you knew what it was, but you still did it. I see both sides of the story. I'm about where I need to be, so I'm gonna go right now. Y'all, I just wanted to get on here and do a vlog in the car. I probably meant to talk about some other stuff, but the traffic opened up and I lost my train of thought. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed. Y'all look, not the sun won't, the buildings won't hide the sun where you can see my whole face. Y'all have a good day. Bye.